Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dr. Praise on the beat. Àlàáfíà. Áńgẹ́lì mi ò ní sùn. Oríwo ya ògùn wa tán. Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé á jẹ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Àwọn olórin dábọ̀ sóhun mi lòjọ́ dìbò. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé. Alawalu, alakiru, asọhiru, abatinu, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Alárágbá yìí dániyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dá. Èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá. Ìwọ ṣàlóní.
Afternoon and good evening wherever you are watching me today. My name is Dr. Mutiu Olatiboye, also known as Babi Winje. If today is your first time here, everything I do here is to share spiritual tip, just like the one I want to share with you right now. And if you find any of my videos very interesting, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and make sure you turn on the notification bell. So whenever I upload video like this, you'll be the first person to watch. And if you need more of my videos, you are free to go back to my previous video. You see a lot of videos that can help your spiritual life. If you don't understand, please feel free to call me on 07037422552, or you message me on WhatsApp 09053332747. So in today's video, I want to explain how to use salt in the midnight for confirm back to sender. If you believe that someone has placed curse on you and you want to send back the curse back to the original sender, if you know the name of that person, you can mention his name. If you don't know his name, you can mention generally, you mention anybody's names like general prayer. You understand? If you don't know his name or her name, you say your prayer generally. Don't mention anybody. You understand? But if you know the particular person, the person that plays black magic on you, because there are some people when they do something wrong with person, they will not stand that yes, they are the one that's controlling your life spiritually. So that kind of person, if you know his name, you mention his name, or you mention her name. Are you with me? This what you are saying in front of me is salt, table salt, or cooking salt. So how are you going to use this salt for back to sender? Back to sender. You place this salt. You wake up in the midnight around 1 o'clock dot. You naked yourself, you remove your clothes, you place this salt at the corner of your room, just one corner, not all the corners. You can place this salt in a tray or a plastic rubber. You keep it at the corner of your room. So that 1 o'clock, before 1:30, you step on this salt. You say your intention, back to sender intention. Back to sender intention. Ask God to reverse back the black magic placed on you to the original sender. My brother and sister, you are going to repeat this process for complete 9 days. That salt is what you are going to use for 3 days. You are not going to change the salt. You use this salt for 3 days. 3 days with the same salt and the instruction given to you. I think you understand what I'm saying. So, if you want to do this assignment, you must do it around 1 o'clock. Do not change the time. You must do this assignment before 1:30. Remove your clothes and you place this salt at the corner of your room. You step on it, you say your intention, the intention of back to sender to original sender. The person that plays black magic on you, ask God to reverse the black magic back to that person. So after that 3 days, the 4th day, you use broom or something to sweep the salt, and you flush it in your toilet. That's all. Flush the salt on the 4th day in your toilet. By the grace of Almighty God, immediately you flush this salt in your toilet, bad thing will begin to happen to that your enemies. Bad thing will begin to happen to your enemies. And if anything happen to your relative or anyone from your family, don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. It's very simple and very, very effective only if you follow my instruction. Only if you follow my instruction. So that is how to do it, and that is how to use it. Please, if you love this video, remember to like this video, comment, and you share my video. As you like my video, may Almighty God bless you and bless your family. Thank you very much. Ẹ̀rí orúkọ mi náà ni Dr. Mutiu Ọlátíbóyè Táyémàṣèwé ń jẹ́. Lórí ètò yìí gẹ́gẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe mọ̀, a máa ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa àṣírí ewé àtegbò láwọn nǹkan kéékèèké lọ́lọ́kan òjọ̀kan báyìí. Ẹ̀rí Ọlọ́run fi agbára pamọ́ sí ara ewé àti egbò, àṣírí sì láyé. Ẹni tó bá mọ nǹkan kan láti fi lè tú èèyàn sílẹ̀, èmi ò bìlífù pé aburú nírú ẹni bẹ́ẹ̀ ń ṣe, torí pé the same iyọ̀ tá fẹ́ fi ṣàlàyé ọ̀rọ̀ fún yín lénìí, wọ́n tó lè fi bà tèèyàn jẹ́, àmọ́ Ọlọ́run tí ò jẹ́ ká lọ sí irú ìlànà bẹ́ẹ̀, ọlọ́ba náà là á dúpẹ́ fún. Ẹ jẹ́ ká wá iyọ̀ sebẹ̀. Òru aago kan la máa ń ṣe iṣẹ́ yìí, òru aago kan. Tí a bá ti fẹ́ ṣe ní òru aago kan, a ti bọ́ aṣọ lẹ̀ ní ìhòòhò ọmọlúwàbí, a ti máa bọ́ aṣọ sílẹ̀ ní ìhòòhò ọmọlúwàbí àti ṣòkòtò, gbogbo nǹkan tó wà lára wa pátá. A máa wá da iyọ̀, tẹ́ríwájú mi iyọ̀ síbẹ̀ ni. A wá dà sí kọ́nà igun iyàrá, òun là á dà sí. A wá dúró lé lórí ní ìhòòhò ọmọlúwàbí. A kọjú síbi tó bá wù wá. A wá máa ṣẹ́ ìpè lórí àwọn ọ̀tá wa. Gbogbo aburú tí wọ́n ṣe sí wa kó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní padà sọ́dọ̀ wọn. Tá a bá mọ orúkọ ẹni náà tó dá wa lójú, tá a mọ orúkọ ẹni náà, a lè pe orúkọ ẹ̀ sí, ká pè ká dákọ ẹ̀ sí. Ọjọ́ alákọ̀ọ́kọ́ á ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀, ọjọ́ ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì á ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀, ọjọ́ ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kẹta á ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀, ọjọ́ kẹrin á wá kó iyọ̀ yìí, á lọ flush ẹnu tọ́lẹ́ẹ̀tì wa. Iyọ̀ tá a bá lò lọ́jọ́ kan náà là á lò fún gbogbo ẹ̀, kì í ṣe pé a máa bu iyọ̀ míì sí o. Iyọ̀ kan náà là á lò fún gbogbo ọjọ́ yẹn. Lágbára Ọlọ́run yẹn, jẹ́ ká gbìyànjú ẹ̀ wò. Gbogbo ẹni tó wà ń di ọ̀rọ̀ wa, nǹkan burúkú ó ṣe wọ́n, àdánù ó dé bá wọn lágbára Ọlọ́run. Èmi náà lọmọ yín, àbúrò yín, olólùfẹ́ yín, Dr. Mutiu Ọlátíbóyè. Ẹ̀rí ìtamọ́ wa ní òní ni bí a ṣe ń lo iyọ̀ síbẹ̀. Tó bá wà nù nǹkan tẹ̀ ń wá tẹ̀dẹ̀ ti rí ń bí báyìí, ẹ dákun ẹ gbìyànjú, ẹ bá wa láìkì fídíò yìí. Bẹ́ẹ̀ bá ṣe wá ń láìkì fídíò yìí, àbúrò mọ̀ ní láìkì yín, òṣì ò ní láìkì yín, àdánù ò ní láìkì yín, àṣírí ò ní láìkì yín. Lágbára Ọlọ́run, èmi náà lọmọ yín lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí, àbúrò yín, olólùfẹ́ yín, Dr. Mutiu. Tó ó dàbọ̀.
Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé ajẹ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Àwọn olórí bá bọ́ sóhun mi lọ́jọ́ dìbò. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé. La ilaha illallah. Alawalu, alakiru, asọhiru, abatinu, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Alárágbá yìí dániyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dán. Èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá. Ìwọ ṣàlò ní kọ́kọ́rọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀mí nìyẹn. Fásikúrú ni wọ́n nínú ìsìnkú. Kó fàyà kùn rẹ̀ la fi ń ṣe tiwa. Ewé jẹ́ tó dá fún wa ládẹ̀ gbójúlé èyí tó ní ká ló ládẹ̀ ń lò ọba ńlá ń dákun máa jẹ́ ká ṣiṣẹ́ ọba tó rí gbogbo ẹ̀dá ta ò rí ìwọ lọ́ba tá ń gbàṣẹ lọ́dọ̀ rẹ̀ à ń bẹ̀ ọ́ à ń bẹ̀ ọ́ à ń bẹ̀ ọ́.